think. You need a fancy gym membership and expensive equipment to get in the best shape of your life. Think again. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know to master the home workout. Hey everyone, I'm your channel name. Whether you're short on time, saving money, or just prefer the privacy of your own space, home workouts are a game changer. In the next 20 minutes, we'll cover space optimization, essential and non-essential gear, how to stay motivated, and even run through a full-body routine you can do anywhere. Treat your home workout like an appointment you can't break. Put it on your calendar. The importance of SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Keep a simple workout log. Online forums, social media challenges, or having a virtual workout buddy. Warm-up: dynamic stretching. Host demonstrates arm circles, leg swings, torso twists, cat-cow stretch. The circuit perform each for 45 seconds, 15 seconds rest. Lower body air squats or goblet squats with a water jug. Upper body push-ups knees, or full. Core plank forearms or high plank. Upper body pull, resistance band rows or Superman extensions for back. Cardio burst, mountain climbers or high knees, cool down and static stretching. Host demonstrates hamstring stretch, chest stretch, child's pose. Don't rush. Use a mirror or record yourself to ensure your back is straight and joints are aligned. Briefly mention sleep, hydration, and nutrition. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Your home is now your gym. No excuses, just results. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly routines, and comment below with your favorite home workout hack. See you in the next video.